5-year veteran of the LAPD died during a training exercise last month. And just last week, Chief Michael Moore gave Officer Houston Tipping's mother the flag that draped her son's coffin. And 5 days after burying him, Officer Tipping's mother has filed a claim against the department.
Yeah, she says it didn't have safety measures in place during the training exercise, including having an instructor oversee it. Here's CBS 2's Tena Ezzeddine.
He was 32 years old, an officer with LAPD patrolling parts of the San Fernando Valley. But it was training for that job at the police academy where Houston Tipping lost his life. The officer's mother has hired an attorney. On this day, an intent to sue and study what happened during a department training last month that ended with the officer's death at the hands of other officers, the attorney claims. The first step now taken in filing a wrongful death lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles.
There were injuries to multiple areas of Houston's body, 2 sides of his head. One side needed to have staples to close the cuts and bleeding, and the other side was swelling.
In addition to a governmental claim against the city, a Public Records Act request has also been filed. The family seeking videotapes that LAPD reportedly filmed during the training.
I know that we have silence from the department as to what happened, how it happened, why it happened. So I don't know, but I'm going to find out.
Officer Tipping was with the department for 5 years before he lost his life during a training exercise. His exact cause of death is unknown. The family attorney saying they have yet to see an autopsy report. A funeral service for Officer Tipping was held last Wednesday. The department not commenting on the legal claim filed, but only on Officer Tipping himself.
Houston, in his short 32 years, showed us all that there is still right and good among us.
Officer Tipping's mother stating in the legal claim, quote, that wasn't enough to avoid other officers paralyzing him and eventually killing him in violation of law and his civil rights, end quote. Officer Tipping's career to serve, to give did not end in death. His organs now all donated to the living. In Woodland Hills, Tena Ezzeddine, CBS 2 News.